This is Amanemu, an Aman Resort in Mie Prefecture in the Shima region, right near Ago Bay in Japan. So we're staying here, room 201, which is Sora Villa suite, a one bedroom. And Sora means sky. And so let's take a look. It's a very spacious place you can really relax and unwind. Coming in here, entranceway. Let me take my shoes off in traditional Japan style. Putting on my slippers. So first thing is, off to the right, so there's one bedroom and two toilets. This is like a secondary guest one, not the master. And then here's a little entrance closet. So back this way, let's go. A little study area. It's a very spacious room, but it also has a lot of cool little nooks and crannies. Okay, walk up these mini flights of stairs. And then this is the living room. So, couches, dining table. And then let's swing around this way. You can see full kitchen area with microwave, electric stove, coffee maker, refrigerator, and even a washer and dryer in the back. And they will supply you with a detergent free of charge. So here's another view of the lounge area. We'll take a look at the view from this Sora Villa. You can see that it's extremely spacious, but it gives an even more spacious feel because the extremely high ceiling up above. Okay, and then so we're gonna go turn around. Head over to the sleeping quarters. Little sitting area. Let's first go to the bedroom. Just walk in here. So again, not just a bedroom, you can kind of lounge down there. You could kind of sit and read a book. Again, there's a terrace. And then again, a very high vaulted ceiling. Very muted colors and tone, but tasteful and stylish at the same time. Very zen, in a very zen Japanese sort of way. So, again, there's a TV in the bedroom as well, with a yukata robe. If you really want to just relax in the room, a desk, a day bed outside as well, and a sitting area. We'll take a look at the terrace momentarily. So this is the main. Well, let's see. You can see. There's actually two mini bars. There's one in the kitchen area, and then there's another one in the bedroom. But anyways, that's not a big deal. So, two sinks for him and her, and then there's a separate vanity over here. What's really nice about the storage closet area is that there's hangers, places to hang clothes for both, for two people. And you can even have two relatively large roller boards that can sit side by side. And so, coming around, this is the Furo bath. You have to manually bring out the water. It's not onsen, but that's not a big deal, and I will explain why in a moment. So this is the toilet in the master bathroom. And then this is the shower. All right. And then coming back around, all right, looks like there's someone at the door. Anyways, we're going to come around here. And so we're going to go look outside. Let's take a look at the bay. They're bringing an extra humidifier for our room, so we'll show you the outside before I show you the grand finale of the room inside. So again, this is the Sora Suite, Sora Villa. So it's a standalone. Actually, this building has 2 bedrooms, but in off-peak times, they do allow it to be booked as a 1-bedroom. And then, so what happens is you get the entire villa, but they block off access to one of the bedrooms, which is a pretty cool compromise. But during peak season, it's far-fetched to hope that they'll have a 1-bedroom available, because they would rather book the entire villa as a 2-bedroom. Because if someone books it as a 1-bedroom, then the second bedroom, it's just a bedroom. So anyway, so we have access to pretty much the whole villa minus 1 bedroom. So as we walk over here, zoom in a little bit, view of Ago Bay, or parts of it. So Sora rooms, suites, villas, it stands for sky. Now there are rooms with better views, and they're called nagi. So they come in suites and villa styles. So we were upgraded from a nagi suite, which has the best views. But from that to this villa, I think I'll take the villa, but the view is arguably going to be better in any room with the nagi designation. So anyways, you can see from here, this is the whole villa. So the left side is the bedroom, the middle is the living area, and the right is another bedroom. So what we have here are the 2 rooms in here in the villa, and then the bedroom over here is just blocked off from our access, and they don't make it available for other guests to stay while we're here. So again, we're here in late January during the time when foreign tourists are not allowed to enter into Japan, which is probably why they made this room available to us, actually as an upgrade, which is even better. So let's head on back in. All right. So back in the warm and comfy living area. All right. So let's finish off one last view of the living room. All right. So as we head down here, did not show you one other thing. So this is the entrance as you walk in. You saw the second bathroom, the toilet. Now, beyond this is a real onsen bath. Kakenagashi means Gensen kake nagashi. So it's natural mineral, not mixed or blended. Natural mineral hot springs water that's free-flowing, meaning that it's not just recycled, but it comes from the source and it's usable, 24 hours a day. And this is all ours. Really, really cool. So you have shower for 2, you have bath towels, water, and you can make it open air to some degree, partially by open up the sliding window, and you have full privacy while you're at it. So this is Amanemu's one bedroom Sora Villa in Shima, which is in Mie Prefecture in Japan. Hope you enjoyed.